Rise and shine, don't hit snooze, time to wake up, I can't lose. Stretch a bit, freshen your face, let me brush up and tidy the place. Hungry now? Let's begin. What's for breakfast? Count me in. Late again? Feeling rushed? I'm in a hurry, the clock can be crushed. At the office or in class, can I join in or may I pass? Need a favor, just be cool, would you mind? I'd be so grateful. Feeling stuck, don't stay mute, can you explain? I didn't compute. Teamwork time, let's unite, let's collaborate, get it right. Tired face or joyful grin, I'm exhausted or guess who I win? Feeling sick? Not your day, I'm under the weather, I'll rest today. Saw something cool, say it loud, that's impressive or wow I'm proud. Made a mess? Be polite, I'm so sorry, I'll fix it right. Dinner served and food is great, it smells amazing, I can't wait. Want a drink or something sweet? Can I get a cup of tea or a treat? Movie night or just unwind, let's chill out and ease the mind. Bedtime talk before you sleep, today was busy, dreams be deep. Use these phrases, mix them well, your fluent English will surely swell. Speak with rhythm, tone, and grace, and soon you'll land the language race. Use these phrases, mix them well, your fluent English will surely swell. Speak with rhythm, tone, and grace, and soon you'll land the language race.